Well, I'm going in to get my mail. And then I might try to walk around town a little bit. It's awfully cold, but I need to see if I got any mail. I was going to earlier today to take a walk, but I did my radio show this morning. We had to be at work at 3 o'clock. So after that, I kind of came home and took a little nap. Because, you know, it's been a week. Oh, also, if you ever want to send me anything, Christmas card or, you know, just anything, a little letter, something, because nobody writes letters anymore, but I think it's nice to receive a letter and to write a letter. If you want to get to me, 1505 Harlan, Kentucky, 40831. Let's see what we got. Well, there's something for Way. And that's it. But you know what's always good? No bills. And you know something I just noticed? They don't have the Christmas tree up this year. It's usually right there. They don't have it. They just have, you know, poinsettias. Interesting. I wonder why they didn't put it up this year. Let's see what else we got for decorations. That's cute. The Santa counter. Yeah, and here's where the old modern electric used to be. And there's some decorations here. How cute. The cow. The cow. That is a big old tree. I saw Red's office. And his Santa counter is not working. Not plugged up. Not in service. They painted those windows. Isn't that cute? Ibrahim Music, of course. You know, they had the Christmas parade today. Tonight. And I was so sleepy. So tired after that radio show this morning. And just what a week it had been. So, yeah, I didn't get to go to it. There's the Harlan Center. All lit up and Christmassy. Let's just walk right over here and let's see what they got. Oh, how cute. But it seems little Rudolph there. Yeah. His head has went out. That's very cute though. And of course inside they have trees. Oh, I like that tree. Some might say it's kind of gaudy, but I don't know, I like it. It's very cute. Oh, I'm telling you, it is so cold. Whew. I'm gonna have to get back to the car. But there's still one more place I want to go to show you Christmas lights. So let's go. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys this. This is just outside of Harlan. It's a little place called Chevrolet. And every year they do this, and it is so beautiful. I love how little communities come together and do great things. That is so neat. I'm going to stop recording though as this truck comes by because I don't want to get anybody on video who don't want to be. Yeah. It's gorgeous. And of course I'm going to have to get it as we're going back out. It's so cute, it's Whoville. Oh yeah, you know they got that Santa Claus at Bass Pro. Little Debbie. Oh, this is so neat. I love this. Absolutely